This is one of the near endless landmarks all around Rome. Way at the opposite end is Neptune's fountain. This whole area here is blocked off. I can't really go there. Looks like there might be some sort of performance later on in the day. Not really quite sure. But we'll take a closer look. Not sure what this building is either. There's definitely something that's going to be televised here. And it's good to have come here very early. At least by by Italian standards, very early. So this whole area is called Piazza Navona. Imagine the talent required to carve something like this. You can see on the figures, the muscles, the detail, the muscles between the in the person's legs and even the toenails. On the lion there, you could see the details and how the facial expression is. Just absolutely spectacular. The writing on the top here is not in English. Hopefully they did not steal this thing from Egypt. That person in the back there looks scared, terrified. This guy's a little shy, he's covering his face. Oh wow, look at that. Looks like one of those monsters from the 70s. We'll walk around and take a look. It's just incredible, the details on something like this. Oh, look at that. There's a seahorse. There's a seahorse right there. I could understand why this person here, he's looking up at the sky in fear. There's a snake, seahorse, some other guy that's scared. Yeah, let's go take a look and see Neptune's fountain. Getting thirsty. It's actually getting very warm now. But I know if I grab something to drink, I'm also going to have to find a washroom. I went to McDonald's this morning to grab a coffee. I was expecting something similar to what I'd find back in Canada, but they gave me, it's a good thing I ordered two because they just gave me a little cup. It wasn't even, it was the size of a cup that you get at your dentist when they give you a mouthwash. That's basically what they did at McDonald's. Gave me something so damn small, but I downed it like a shot glass because that's basically how much was in there, maybe less. And then had my coffee fix for the day. This is Neptune's fountain. That there looks like a tour group from who knows where. So if you take a look at Neptune, looks like he's fighting a sea snake or something curled around. Or maybe that's an octopus, because it looks like there are tentacles. Oh yeah, that's definitely an octopus. I thought it was a sea snake. Yeah, not a sea snake at all. But again, if you take a look at all the detail involved in carving something like this. I don't even know how old this fountain was or is. Just a spectacular courtyard. Imagine living here and being able to see this all the time. But again, you'd have to deal with a lot of tourists.